Okay. Huh. Let's be real for a second. Finding the perfect wig? It's kinda like dating looks great in the pics, but when it shows up, yeah, whole different story. And girl, if you've ever spent hours scrolling through reviews, trying to figure out which 360 full lace wig is actually worth the money, you're not alone. Hey loves! I'm Jennifer Angular, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, I'm so happy you're here. I make real, honest beauty content to help you feel confident, fab, and informed, without all the fluff. So if you love hair, wigs, and a good Amazon find, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, no pressure though. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code available. Link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, Drawstring Body Wave Lace Front Wigs Human Hair. So, today's video is a full-on guide to one of my new favorite hair hacks up. We're talking Drawstring Body Wave Lace Front Wigs. Human hair only, okay? This is the guide for every girl. Whether you're new to wigs, in between installs, or just need a cute throw-on-and-go look that doesn't play with your time. And the one I've been living for lately is this one right here from Amazon. It's from a brand called KGIFAIL. Put the link down below for y'all. This is their Drawstring pre-plucked body wave lace front wig, and okay, let me breathe for a sec cause I wasn't ready. First, off-drawstring wigs are a game changer. You don't need glue, no combs digging into your scalp. Just pull that string and boom, she's secure. Like gym-proof, wind-proof, and still cute. And the lace? It came pre-plucked and actually melted without me doing much. Like, for real. I threw some powder on the part and went out the door. I didn't even have to do the baby hairs if I didn't want to, but they give you that option. And sometimes we just want to feel cute without all the extra. And that's why I love this one. Number 4, Wave Invisi Street Wrap Snug Fit 360 Glueless Wig. So I found this one on Amazon. It's from this brand called Rashni, and this specific one has an Invisi strap built inside the cap. And I was like, wait, hold on. What even is an Invisi strap? Basically, it's this hidden elastic that snugly fits around your head, so it holds the wig in place without any glue. Lacano. Got 2B, no gel, no mess. And the 360 lace? Girl, it's soft, it blends, and it goes all the way around so you can do buns, half-ups, or cute, messy ponytails without exposing tracks or making it obvious it's a wig. It's this soft, bouncy body wave that doesn't feel too heavy. I didn't even need to pluck anything. The hairline came pre-plucked, and the knots were lightly bleached, so I barely had to do anything, which we love. Listen, I've spent so much money on wigs that looked good online, but when they showed up, whew, catfish central. But this one, I genuinely didn't expect it to fit this well out the box. No tightness, no weird smell, no extra drama. It's beginner-friendly, it's lazy girl approved, and I say that with love because, same. I kept checking in the mirror thinking, wait, is it still on right? And y'all, it was snug and secure. Number 3, pre-plucked hairline with baby hair. Today's video is your full guide to rocking a pre-plucked hairline with baby hair without all the extra steps, the tweezing trauma, or the trial and error. And I'm showing y'all this wig I found on Amazon that honestly shocked me in the best way. I wasn't expecting much, but it's giving real scalp, real softness, and baby hairs that actually look like baby hairs. This one right here is from a brand called Jinju Hair. I'll drop the link in the description so you don't have to go digging, but baby, why? This lace is transparent, the hairline is already pre-plucked, and the baby hairs are laid, but not crunchy or overdone. You know how some wigs give baby hairs that look like toddler bangs? This one is soft, thin, and you can either swoop them or brush them back, whatever vibe you're going for. Honestly, I get emotional sometimes with wigs like this, cause not all of us have the time, the tools, or the skills to do a full install every time we leave the house. And feeling cute without having to try so hard? That's powerful. Especially if you're going through hair loss or just want something protective that still feels like you. Number 2, transparent lace pre-plucked with baby hair. So in today's video, I'm giving you the real deal on transparent lace pre-plucked with baby hair wig sand. I'm breaking it down so every girl, whether you're new to wigs or a full-on slay queen, can find something that works. And I gotta show y'all this wig I found on Amazon. Who? It surprised me in the best way. Okay, So this is the Highlight Straight Brazilian Wig Transparent Lace, pre-plucked hairline, with baby hairs already done. And let me tell you, the first time I put it on, I was like, wait a minute, this lace is giving scalp. Like, actual scalp. And the baby hairs? Not thick and crunchy, just soft. Like, subtle. I barely had to do anything. You can rock this wig with the part in the middle, do a little side swoop, or even throw half of it up in a cute bun. I used just a lil powder to blend the lacy in, that's it. Didn't even need glue. So for my girlies who want that clean, fresh install without actually doing one this wig, is it? I know some of y'all are in school, or working full-time, or maybe you're going through stuff like hair loss or postpartum shedding, and having a wig like this that just works, it's a game changer. Because when your hair feels good, you feel good. And you deserve that without the struggle. Period. Number 1. Density full. 360 lace front wigs human hair. The texture. Ugh. So soft. Like butter, for real. It came out the bag already looking juicy like. No stiff curls. No weird smell. None of that. You see that bounce? That's body wave magic, girl. So what makes this wig kinda different is the 360 lace. That means you get lace all the way around, not just at the front, which is perfect if you want to do ponytails, buns, or even that clean half-up, half-down look. And since it's pre-plucked and glueless, it's beginner-friendly, too. I didn't have to be a stylist to make it look like this. Just adjusted the straps, laid a little edge gel, and boom, ready to go. Look, I know a lot of us don't have the time or money to go to the salon every other week. So having a wig like this, that you can throw on and still feel put together? Yeah, that's a win. I wore this out to brunch the other day, and my friend was like, "Girl, is that a sew-in?" I was like, "Nope, Amazon boo." And honestly, the confidence boost it gives you, like there's just something about feeling cute without all the hassle. Especially if you've been dealing with hair loss or you're just tired of bad hair days, this is for you. Sis, you deserve to look good and feel good without breaking the bank or losing hours in front of a mirror. If you saw one you liked, I linked everything down in the description, including different lengths, cap sizes, and a few coupon codes, 'cause I know I love saving us both some coins. And if you've tried one of these wigs or have a holy grail 360 lace wig I need to know, drop it in the comments so we can all share the good hair vibes. All right, my loves, thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you don't miss the next video. Stay glowing, stay soft, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.